Have you ever left a meeting, lecture, or important call wondering if you caught every detail? Well, those days are over. Meet the ultimate audio recorder that's here to transform the way you capture and manage audio. Compact, powerful, and smarter than ever. This device is the solution you didn't know you needed. Stay tuned because we're diving into all the features that make this recorder an absolute game changer. This device isn't just another recorder. It's equipped with dual-mode recording technology. The air conduction sensor ensures high-quality sound for meetings and lectures, while the vibration conduction sensor captures crystal-clear audio from calls. Whether you're in a noisy environment or on a private call, you'll never miss a word. Imagine having a device that adapts to your surroundings and delivers impeccable audio clarity every time. That's the power of dual-mode precision recording. Let's talk storage and battery. With 64 GB of space, this little device can hold up to 480 hours of recordings. That's months of lectures, meetings, or brainstorming sessions all in one sleek gadget. And the battery? It's a beast. You get up to 30 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. That's right. No more scrambling for power in the middle of an important session. This recorder is built to keep up with your busiest days. Now here's where the magic happens, the Plod app. This app takes your recordings to the next level. With advanced AI, it can transcribe your audio, summarize it into actionable points, and even let you edit out unwanted parts. It supports 112 languages, so no matter where you are or what you're recording, the app has you covered. Plus, you get unlimited cloud storage to manage and access your files securely. Say goodbye to cluttered folders and hello to organized productivity. Who's this recorder perfect for? Students who need to ace their lectures, professionals managing endless meetings, or content creators recording on the go. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile. This is not just a recorder, it's your personal productivity assistant. Host looks directly into the camera. And hey, if you're enjoying this review, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got more amazing tech reviews coming your way. So, there you have it. The ultimate audio recorder that ensures you never miss a single detail. From dual-mode recording to the Plod app's game-changing features, this device is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify and supercharge their workflow. Click the link in the description to check out the full review and get your hands on one today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music plays as the screen fades to the device with the call to action overlay.